This is the editor mode. From here, we can visually manipulate all of our Lightning elements and add interactions to create a stunning Salesforce prototype. We'll divide this introduction walkthrough into 3 groups. First, on the left toolbar, we have our controls. On the top, we can click the Avonni logo to quickly switch to another design or access the Help Center. But for now, let's stay in the editor mode. Underneath, we have access to elements and templates. We can click on Elements to access all native lighting design system elements and on Templates to find hundreds of templates for inspiration. At the bottom of the left toolbar, we have more granular controls, like the navigator from where we can manage pages and elements, as well as links to video lesson content and online support. That's the left toolbar. The major area here is the canvas. It's where we can interact with the page in real time. We can select elements, we can move them around, and we can edit element settings directly from the side panel on your right. Everything we build on the canvas is following the component model, meaning that when we drag an element, it's respecting the common component flow. Speaking of that, at any time we can copy-paste the Lightning component code into Salesforce to export the exact final output. Now, to see how a prototype would look live, we can just hit the Preview tab. This is a quick way to interact with the prototype as if it was fully published. Let's click again to the Editor tab to leave preview mode. We can collaborate and share the prototype very easily. By clicking on the Share button in the upper right, we have access to the sharing box. From there, we can invite anyone as an editor or a viewer. We can also generate a public URL to share the prototype with the world. Finally, the third major section, the side panel on our right, gives us extremely granular control over each element. What we have here is the Settings panel. The first tab is the Style panel, and it's giving us immediate access to global style settings, layouts, themes, borders, and size. We also have other tabs, like the Lightning one, to set up interaction actions, like set a link to another page or create modal boxes. Quick recap. 3 major sections. Our tools to the left, including access to Lightning elements and templates. The canvas, which has the prototype contents, and the panels to the right, including the Style and Interactions panels.